One reason you should not be relying on ChatGPT when doing your own legal research, or at least it shouldn't be your only source of information, is because so often ChatGPT returns incorrect information. I played with it a little bit earlier this week and I noticed how often it brings incorrect filing deadlines, or it talks about cases that don't say what ChatGPT says they say. And there is a reason why several lawyers were disciplined, were famously disciplined by courts for using ChatGPT and for citing cases incorrectly in their filings in courts. The less obvious reason as to why you shouldn't be relying on ChatGPT too much when dealing with serious, important legal issues and when making important decisions on a legal case or a situation that you're facing is because ChatGPT is very likely to provide you with incomplete or misleading information because you are loading into ChatGPT incomplete information. People have a tendency to ask questions in a way that favors their side of the story, their side of the case. Is ChatGPT going to ask you difficult questions? Is ChatGPT going to try to poke holes in your story or in your case? Is ChatGPT going to make a judgment call of whether or not you should be pursuing that case or you should be defending that case? And if so, how aggressively? How much time, energy, and money you should be spending on that process, and whether or not it's going to be worth it for you in the end, even if you win that case. ChatGPT, at least as of today, as of January 2025, is not going to ask you these questions, but these questions are every bit as important as the theoretical questions of what's legal, what's not legal, what violates the law, what doesn't violate the law, where you're right, where you're wrong. Being right or wrong based on your side of events is only part of the story, and often it's not even half of the story. All these other considerations have to be taken into account. And if you don't bring them to ChatGPT's attention, then how is it going to give you a complete information or complete answer of not only what's right or wrong, but what's the right thing to do in your situation? Therefore, the right way to use ChatGPT, at least now in the beginning of 2025, is use it as a start of research, where you ask basic questions: what's legal, what's not legal, what the state of the law in California on this or that. So it's a good tool for brainstorming. But once you get into specifics about a particular challenge, legal challenge that you're facing, or a particular case, ChatGPT is not the way to go. You have to talk to someone who is experienced in handling these types of matters and who can advise you not only on a perfect solution to your situation, because often such solution doesn't exist, but the best solution for your problem under your specific circumstances. And this will consider not only all the favorable facts, but also all the unfavorable facts, which almost every case has. Thank you.